muchacho.
Where
Hola,
have you been?
muchacho gordo.
Where did you visit last?
Who feeds them? Who gives them food?
All, yeah.
Everybody?
Everybody.
But does somebody come and feed them every day?
I mean, like when we eat something, okay, we bring them for them also.
And is it a law here that like if a cat goes into your restaurant, you can't kick them out? Because everyone lets them. We noticed.
Yeah. We like cat dog. We
Everyone
like
has.
too much. Yeah, everyone like too much. That's when they take care of them. They give them food.
Yeah.
Anywhere you go, you can find a cat dog.
And then the United States, they kill them.
Really?
Yeah, we kill them. We kill all the dogs and the
I thought only this one is happening in China.
No, we kill them. We don't eat them. We just kill them. Like if there's street dogs, you pick them up, you take them to the pound, and if no one claims them or adopts them within 90 days,
They kill.
yeah, they put them in a gas chamber. And
This is weird.
yeah, it's a lot. That's why we're surprised as Americans. We're surprised to see them so well taken care of. You know,
I mean,
we do have some non-profits. You know, like the Humane Society. It's called the Humane Society. There, they don't kill them in the Humane Society, but the dog pound does. So that's so popular in cities.
This is the first time I'm here from you. Like,
Yeah.
you know,
So I know it is, and they're friendly, huh?
yeah.
Yes. Hi, buddy.
You can touch.
Yeah, you can touch them.
He will not do anything.
Hola.
Hola, hermano.
But they're so big. They're so big.
Yeah.
Aww.
Hola, hombre. ¿Cómo estás?
Hi. So friendly. So docile. Look at him stretching. Hola.
Hi, Poppy. Even you're very nice people. Even you don't wanna take a guy here, you can get a fast track ticket also for the cisterna. If there is a man here, please have the fast track. You can buy from him, you can go directly inside.
Thank you.
You are in carpet country. Why you are not thinking to see some carpets?
Oh, I know, huh? There was I'm gonna go get that dog over there too, though. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Famous Kangal dog mixes. That's where I'm gonna take you guys now. Over there. Look at this, guys. Istanbul. We're about to go to the Blue Mosque. That's where I'm taking you mugs. How active it is, guys. Active. I knew Istanbul was active. And I like this. About to try this corn and what is this right here?
Chestnut.
Chestnut?
Hello, welcome.
Good.
You want chestnut?
How much chestnuts and one corn?
Buyurun abla.
And the corn, is the corn 15?
See how much euros there will be.
Hangisinden vereyim hanımefendi? Köz haşlama. Köz alalım. Kaç tane? Ben almıyorum.
And
How many gram? 100, 200?
can you accept euros?
Yes, euro, no problem.
How much then?
3 euro, 4 euro, 5 euro, how many euro? 10 euro.
200 gram kestane alacağım ben.
Are you?
I have your phone?
No, I have
Gotta
my
do a little
phone.
math.
2 mi
I
olacak?
have my phone.
Kestane kaç gram? 200 gram mı?
200 gram abi.
They don't make it like in the States where they put mayonnaise on it and cheese.
Ben niye söyledim?
But it still looks pretty good. I guess healthier.
So 75.
Buyurun efendim. Şöyle buyurun.
So this one is a euro 24.
And the corn is 20.
130 toplam size. Nasıl? 3 tane, 2 tane mi közdü? Tamam 110. Var mı 10 liranız?
So $1.24 for the walnuts,
So the small thing of
or
the
euro 24,
and the corn is 71 euro cents.
and the corn is 71 euros, so 2 euros.
Yeah.
2 euros.
İki tane köz mü?
2 euros, 1 corn and 1 gram.
2 tane mi?
Yeah, it's a,
Duydun? 40 lira. Excuse me. Euro metal no 25 lira. 20 lira.
euros?
2 core. 2 core.
No, one
One corn and then 1. No? Oh, okay, they don't want it. So we are about to grub at this pide place. I love pide. I would say that's probably it's my second favorite food. Iskender number 1. Ooh, nice. And pide number 2. We're doing this restaurant, Bavara Pide. One thing I recommend you guys, if you guys come to Turkey, learn a little Turkish, because most of the people here and most of the menus and most of the signs are not in English and they don't speak the language. So this is pide right here, like a Turkish pizza, and this is what I'm gonna have today for the first time. I don't even know the name of it, but if you guys do, let me know. And there it is, guys. Look at this. Holler if you hear me. Ooh, so steamy, it got a little foggy there. Let me know if you guys know what this is. You get this grub right here, right at the mall too.